This is not merely a space. This is where the real estate market truly begins to move. At the Larsen & Toubro Experience Center in Panvel, what you're witnessing is far more than a simple presentation. It represents a fundamental transformation in how properties are truly understood, thoroughly explored, and ultimately sold. This isn't just a static model. Instead, it's an immersive, dynamic space, meticulously crafted and ready for you to fully experience. Interiors, exteriors, amenities, vicinity, all of it in one unified ecosystem. Consider dynamic environments and also their intricate floor plans, not as separate, distinct elements, but truly as one continuous experience. At the dynamic intersection of strategic vision, innovative design, and cutting-edge technology, Ink & Caps truly brings experiential intelligence vividly to life. Through our groundbreaking V-Estate platform, we don't just show projects, we empower you to fully step right inside them. Every intricate surface, every subtle play of light, and every nuanced shadow is meticulously crafted within our immersive three-dimensional property showcases, designed to capture not only the precise architecture, but also the complete, enveloping atmosphere.
V-Estate, the future of property sales.